PixelLab for your designs, for all your designs. Into your with me a App Store, Play Store no for design no for Android user no between PixelLab. For iPhone for no use Canva. So my trend that me the qua about PixelLab na between so see me update na between see me update see my train between will be as ever. Say na interface in the paper. Say na paper. Working space in the paper. Where template character. That icon where template character. Templates are also and I don't know different templates. And the project be a way be a upon soon I go back with that. So when you editing be for the first time, then how but we will say go about that. Think possible me go project baby or so me go project baby project. So then I will test this editing character test edit and so do test about test and not test our trivia. So your style, your editing, delete, copy to front, back, position, relative position, size, and color, tester, a lot of things. So board, camera, background, size, stroke. You pay be a test infecting so yeah. You with me you soon be a so now you're back this you also your sticker, your import drawing, square, brace, arrow, your sticker na person you so also the paper your person will be a it will show here shapes. Let me select shapes. Shapes, there were a lot of shapes. Go with me, choose there are your work. A lot. With me, I edit shape, crop, copy, front. With me, the color will be a so now you back this icon so and also your color, transparency, size of the image with me use a sample image here from gallery and a photo now way so you say for this one for brightness, rotation, we remove noise and now we add noise, contrast. With me the eye. So them right test the template character and about top one so your icons go your plus icon is the same as the test down here over so test current date, sticker, shapes from gallery and a drawing like it's na save so save as project, save as image and I share so you know that and this one also for zooming zoom between their zooming deɛ ɔyɛ biara ama n'aba kɛseɛ. Na yɛ wei so wopɛ sɛ wobɔ so a wopɛ sɛ wo design a woyɛ no ntwerɛ no nyinaa ɛba ɛdi so pɛpɛpɛpɛpɛ a anaa wo project no works no ɛyɛ alignment no ɛfa pɛpɛpɛpɛ a woyi so wei. Ɛna yɛwɔ layer panel. Ne nyinaa wei yɛ very important papapa. So layer panel ɛnie wobɔ so a sei na ɛbɛba. Aha na wotumi lock layer, wotumi alock no move, wotumi ama no disappear, obiara nhu, wotumi adrag ama no aba down, wotumi adrag ama no akɔ front, no issue. So this is the layer panel. And I have this dot for code, a lot of codes, like say your testing on. Wait me choose and this 3 dot. And also by your use image from gallery, full screen, use image from camera, export image size. This image size now. Also with me customize it. Your person obey. Person I will be one that square, profile picture square, YouTube channel banner, YouTube, a lot of things with me are selected from. Person I will with me set to what day. A lot of things for her. Oh, your wife be and let's use, let me use the template in the back there. So this template then you allow design be. Remember now move from gallery. Then remember my gallery. I mean choose the image in any design kakra. Just this background. Say never by a square. Can we choose a square? Because a square for this design. It's a size is another. Can we choose a square? About this mark I don't know so. Say never by. To change the background no. The person may sign up for image video abeka ho the nya load design we for image and so I click it. For this one we for free high by background, so the background waiting have from gallery, so be the same thing now. So if I immediately let me expand it now. Now I'm call a test. Now go there and lock in. Wait. yɛn locking sɛnda ɛnretete. The one thing is we design man nka medosi and me see ano yɛn lock it nko layer panel na yɛn lock it. So you can see say move view and add the test. The test via test. Okay, maybe kakra test Tech Pro GH designs graphics. So pesa nya capital letters no answer abo ha abo so nya beba capital. So test if you yanko size no in size you want increase ne kakra. No, into sa color. This color. Pick color kama bimano. Can't away. Inko size. Format. Font no. Font introduce color introduce font way. Font introduce way. Font to be brave or how we may choose from. They choose this kind of font. Now bold. Say font no yes like Renga. Test no yeah, you know and yeah. Give the background color, alignment, stroke. Anything 3D ne normal be or be a within the account. But between a journey see ya when will be any problem. Now over saver you could save as project or picture. This is the beginning of how to use this. As time goes on, all the following kakra camera show kwanya the big designs be designs be that's it.